We've got a swooping magpie. We have. He started following me. The trouble is, this particular magpie followed me half the length of the street and has decided to set up shop just outside. And so I've got a magpie now that's followed me up the driveway. It's in the backyard, and it's wanting to take over the backyard, and it's swooping us. And that we tried so hard not to get swooped this year, but still, that's the way it is. And we're in the cover of the shed outside, but just outside there's a rampant magpie ready to take vengeance on us, which is terrible. But anyway, we'll feed them. I'll throw some food out and see if that helps. You never know, it might. But at the moment, we're ducking for cover. And it's actually been threatening rain, and will rain tonight and probably tomorrow. So there's no more grass cutting. No, not for a while anyway. At least we had a chance to go down to Wangaratta again and actually get a haircut. And I was actually pleasantly surprised. The word was that the hairdresser had gone pricey, and I was expecting like $35 for a haircut. Going, oh, I need it. Well, you saw how long it was. And I have ears now. And I thought, oh no. And anyway, it was 18, which was a big surprise. Very, very happy about that. Yeah, it's Sunday and it's a beautiful day. Yesterday it was raining. We got a bit of cloud about today, and we may or may not get rain today, but it's Sunday. I thought, hey, let's go for a walk. And so we are. And got to watch out for snakes. This grass is this high, and right across that paddock it's about 4 feet high. And just got to watch out. Yeah, I told you a couple of weeks ago the snakes are moving. Nearly stepped on one the other day, and we're walking down the same road. But it's a beautiful day. It's coolish, and it looks like we may have a cooler summer than we've had in the past, because by now we'd be up in the 25, 27 degrees or more, like it was last year. But here we go with it's going to be 20 degrees today, something like that, and it's beautiful. And we're not going to do the full walk because it's Sunday, for goodness sake. Come along, you know, you can do too much. Anyway, so we're just down to our turnaround at the end of the street like we used to do. I'll go back, but it's looking good. I hope you're feeling good. Everything's fine with you. I haven't put anything up on IGTV for a while, so I think this might go up on there as well as Facebook. But happy weekends. Here we are. I'll catch up with you later on in the week.